Today we're going to be making a grilled cheese, and I love grilled cheeses. It's cheap to eat and it's delicious. Goes great with soup. You can have other things with the grilled cheese too if you like. But yeah, this bread is really, really good. I actually got this on sale. And look at there, reduced for $2.14. So I was like, yep, I'm going to get that. So I got some mayonnaise. I like mayonnaise on my grilled cheese. And then I know at Kroger I got this on sale too. I think they had like a digital coupon or something. So I got some different cheese, and you can different cheeses, and you can put whatever cheese that you want on your grilled cheese. I like to put 2 slices on mine. And then I'm going to use this for butter. Use any kind of butter you want to. All right, so let's get started here. So I got the mayonnaise on both sides here. Got the 2 slices of cheese here. Got the butter here on outside of the bread here. And once I put it in the pan, I'm going to put this face down and then put butter on the other side of the bread. Alright, so I put the butter on this side of the bread as well, and it's on the bottom here. So I've got it turned on, and my personal opinion is it does much better cooking in a pan. You can actually put it in a toaster oven or put it like in an air fryer thing if you want. Whatever you want to do, it's up to you. You can actually add more things to your sandwich as well. If you don't want just cheese, you can put other things like ham or turkey or whatnot, whatever that you want here. But I'm going to put a top over this so it'll help melt the cheese better. And you just kind of eyeball it and keep an eye on it. You might have to flip it a couple of times. And once it starts browning here on the top, you know, from the one on the bottom here, when you flip it, then that side's probably more than likely done, and then you just turn it over and do the same thing on the other side here. Alright, so this will help melt the cheese and heat it up a little more, and it'll actually make it quicker to cook as well. Here's one side already, so I'm cooking the other side. And look how good that looks. You can brown it a little more if you like. Yeah, it's looking good. Look at how that's melting on the sides there. Don't that look good? Alright, just flipped it over, so I believe my grilled cheese is done now. Now all I gotta do is just eat it. Alright, so here's the grilled cheese here. Don't that look good and crispy? It's so much better when you cook it in the pan. Might be a little more trouble, but not much. But it just tastes better, basically. So I'm going to give it a try here. There. Man, that's good. Let's look at it again. Look at that. All cheesy and everything. So good.
Help, I can't.
Alex is having one too.
I was trying to get it off. I had to pull it off.
All right. Thumbs up. Y'all take care.